As the first video of this series, we'll take a few minutes to briefly introduce our product and its key features so you can have a basic understanding before we move into hands-on operations. Let's get started. So our product is called Tier0. It's a unified data and application platform. In simple words, it collects factory data, organizes it into a structured data model, and builds industrial applications on top of that data. At the core of Tier0 is a concept called UNS, or Unified Namespace. It collects factory data, organizes it into a clear hierarchical structure. So each data point in these data models is not just a value, it also carries business context. And use these data models as destinations. Data from your factory can flow into Tier0 through Node-RED. But Node-RED is not only for data connections, it also handles data processing, transformation, and logic before the data is published into UNS. Once the data is connected, structured, and processed in UNS, there are a few ways you can do with it. First, you can build industrial applications with App Builder. We're talking about applications range from simple dashboards, reports, to complicated ones like MES or WMS. But instead of dragging and dropping elements manually like you might do in the past, you can describe your requirements in natural language. For example, what apps you need, what data you want to use, and how the pages should interact with humans. So let the AI agent generate the application for you. Of course, you can continue talking to the agent to make the application a better fit to your requirements. Second, Tier0 enables digital scenarios through Anchor. You can create a digital reflection of your real factory, including equipment models and production scenarios, and bind them with live UNS data, and then your factory becomes alive and visible in real time. Third, you can use Marimo Notebook to do advanced data analysis. With Python scripts, you can create dashboards, reports, alerts, and analysis workflows. And don't worry if you don't have a coding background. You can always ask AI to help generate and refine the scripts step by step. All in all, Tier0 is a comprehensive industrial platform that helps collect data, structure it with business context, and make it available for subsequent applications, analytics, and AI workflows. Once the data foundation is ready, how you use it and what you want to build on top of it are completely up to you. In the following videos, we'll walk through detailed operations on each of these features. Please stay tuned and see you next time.